Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan banana bread. You will need 3 bananas, 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. I will be using a 2-pound loaf tin, which is about 9 inches by 5 inches by 3 inches. I've aligned mine with baking paper and a dairy-free spread, but you can, if you don't have any dairy-free spread, you can use some of your sunflower oil just to line the sides. First, chop up your bananas and put them in a bowl, and then mash with a fork until they are thoroughly mashed through. Then mix in your oil and mix well. Then add both of your sugars and again mix well. Then add your 2 spices and again mix well. And then finally add in your self-raising flour and again just mix it really well until it's a nice consistency of batter. Then put your mixture into your loaf tin and just smooth out the top, and then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 degrees fan assisted for about 40 to 50 minutes until a skewer goes into the bread and comes out clean. And there you have it. That's really easy, simple vegan banana bread.